So we've all seen the recent news about the 32 PNG political parties put a notice to be deregistered by the Registry of Political Parties and Candidate Commission. I never knew such an institution existed because I thought everything to do with election and political parties was handled by the Electoral Commission. Sounds like a waste of taxpayer funds. Anyways, so amongst those 32 political parties is the People's Reform Party, PRP, led by Alan Bed, which is currently trending right now, and the Allegiance Party of Bryan Kramer. So, anyways, the issue with the PRP was, according to this article, is due to the fact that although Alan Bed with James Donald of Northfly MP, all no talks are Registrar Law Office, and they just went ahead and did these arrangements and appointed Honorable Bird as their new party leader. And they already resolved this. So I just want to say that from this moment on, make sure that every MP, move Gokamlo, Wanakan political parties, switching parties, they must record this, update him, have all this registration stuff sorted out. And no can wait come now. You look at some political party come hot now, gain him traction and popularity, and then you want to like, hey, you need to register. Thing. This just looks very suspicious. Anyways, why do we need so many political parties? I think we have a total of about 56 political parties right now. Guys, think about it. Political parties create a lot of unnecessary political drama, especially during the election of the prime minister. We have these candidates moving around with their numbers, playing the number game, political horse trading, prostitution. When they're doing that, like, they're operating on the interest of a few vested individuals, and there is nothing about the interest of the country. You think at this point, like, we want the ministerial portfolios, we want these deals, we want them contracts, preferential warranting, mother of that. Anyways, I think we should shrink down the number of political parties in PNG to just four political parties, one for each region. But again, that's regionalism. So maybe just two political parties like the US, the Republican and the Democratic Party, but we can call them like the corruption and anti-corruption party. So if you love corruption, you go to left side. If you love anti-corruption, you go to right side. Let's be real, guys. Anyways, what do you think about this whole situation? Drop your 2 cents in the comments below, and have a blessed afternoon.